Welcome to KLTV. This is my first unboxing video. So I decided that I wanted a pair of the Patrick Ewing tennis shoes. I looked at the website for some time, did some research, read some reviews, and then I decided that I was going to go ahead and make a purchase. The ones that caught my attention was the National Breast Cancer Foundation edition of the Rogue. So I ordered the Patrick Ewing Rogue tennis shoes, and I've ordered the National Breast Cancer Foundation Nike shoes before, so I figured that I'll continue to go down that road. Being that I lost my mother to cancer, my sister-in-law just lost her to cancer, and other friends and family members throughout my life. So therefore, I decided that I was going to continue the National Breast Cancer Foundation support. So it's just a way to keep my family members remembered. It's a way that I can think about them. It's a conversation starter, and that's what I decided to do. So I'm gonna unbox them with you. Therefore, if you had any questions, comments, or concerns about Patrick Ewing shoes, you can share them with me in the comments below. So came in a big box. They shipped them out fairly quickly. Received them fairly quickly. So now I'm gonna unbox them with you. We're gonna unbox them together. And of course the box is big because my feet is big. So here they come. The box, boom, that's how they package them. Nice and professional looking, don't look cheesy or anything. So boom, go ahead and bust them out with y'all. So here's how they come. Okay. All right. Wow. Yeah. I like them. Remind me of the first pair of Dennis Rodman that Nike created. So, name on the insole, name of the shoe on the strap. Got Patrick Ewing name and number on the back. Rogue on the other strap. Then we got the breast cancer ribbon on the tongue. Here's the sole. Name on the sole. So, pretty clean shoe. The stitching looks quality. The way it's put together is quality. Pretty durable shoe, very light, not heavy at all. So I'm feeling it. Clean shoe. And I also am a T-Mobile dealer, so it can go very well with my outfits. You know, my magenta is what T-Mobile like to call it, magenta. So clean shoe. I like the pink laces, pink sole, pink bubblegum sole. And I stay away from shoes with white sole. That's just my personal preference. I prefer a shoe with a non-white sole. Easier to clean for me, just a cleaner looking shoe. And I don't mind rocking pink, but very clean shoe. Tell me what y'all think about it. Short video, not gonna be too long. I ain't gonna get into a whole bunch of detail. Just wanted to unbox them with you so y'all can see the shoe, so y'all can check it out. In case you guys was wondering, are they legit? Are they quality? Are they professional? Do you get your order on time or in a timely manner? Are the prices right? I think so. I'll rock it. I'm gonna rock it. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Patrick Ewing Rogue National Breast Cancer Foundation tennis shoes. All right, I can deal with it. Shout out to Patrick Ewing.